HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hello kids, let's make a delicious and yummy cake. Let's begin. We shall make the candles for our cake first. Draw the cream of the cake. Ooh, love that part the most. Make 2 slanting lines and join them. Make 2 curvy lines in the middle. Let's give this a nice outline. Paint the flames of the candle yellow. Doesn't cake remind you of birthdays? Paint the top of the cake yellow. It's never a bad time to eat cake either. Let's use a little bit of blue and orange for the candles. Paint the bottom part of the cake orange. We're almost there. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little green for the candle? Let's use some purple for the base. And finally, let's paint the last candle pink. And put some dots too. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. I can't wait to gobble it up. Hey kids, let's draw my favorite fruit, a strawberry, with the leaves on top. Let's color them with green. Don't forget to stay within the lines. Red for the strawberry. The yummiest fruit of all, and healthy too. And now draw the seeds. Just like this. color them in with yellow. It looks great! Good job! Hope you had fun! Strawberry! Hi kids! What gives you energy and is one of the yummiest fruits ever? A banana! Let's draw 3 bananas. Let's give this a nice dark outline. Time for some magic! Let's start painting. A bright yellow color for the bananas. Leave some space in all the bananas. We'll get to that soon. Did you know that monkeys love to eat bananas? Good! Nice and neat. Now, wouldn't it be awesome to use light yellow for the spaces we left? Blend both the colors well. A little touch-up. We're almost there. Looking good! Done with the bananas. Let's use olive green for the stem of the banana. Color the tips of the banana with an olive green too. Wow! This is making me hungry. Good thing we're done. Our bananas are now ready. Hey kids, let's draw some yummy popsicles. Let's draw a rectangle with curvy sides. And the ice cream stick. Join all the curvy lines just like this. Now a watermelon popsicle, a triangle, and then the stick. Add the seeds too. Easy, wasn't it? For the next one, draw the yummy popsicle and the stick. Let's add some stripes. And done. It's time to paint. First green. Add some pink. Let's use golden too. Paint the stick as well. Wow! On to the next one. Green and red for the yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's paint the seeds. Of course, don't forget the stick. For the last one, let's use some pretty purple. And sky blue too. Golden. And pink. And last, some green. Don't forget the stick again. Wasn't it so much fun drawing yummy glitter popsicles? Hi kids! Starting with cauliflower. Draw a cloud-like shape and the stem. Super easy. And now color with green. Nice and neat. Fill it in. Vegetables are super healthy. A light green for the stem. Add some details with a lighter shade of green. Here is our yummy cauliflower. Delicious and healthy. Let's draw a carrot, a cloud shape, and a cone shape. How easy was that? Color in with orange. And green for the leafy stem. Don't forget the details. That looks amazing. Rabbits love to eat carrots. A yummy carrot. Let's draw some corn, an oval shape and the husk below. And now color it green. It's super easy. Yellow for the seeds. And a lighter yellow. Draw lines like this to show all the seeds. Some more detailing. Yay! Yummy corn! Draw a curvy line like this. Leaves and a stem on the top. Can you guess what fruit this is? A tomato! Color with green. And with red. Some more detailing, just like that. It looks so juicy and delicious. Tomato! Time to draw some peas. A curvy long line joined at both ends, little circles for the peas. Let's color it in with some light green. A different shade of light green for the peas. A little bit of dark green to color in the empty space. Details are important, don't forget them. Looks great! Delicious peas! I love pea soup. Don't you? Hope you had a fun time drawing and coloring, and of course learning about all the vegetables that are healthy.